Hello and thanks for checking out another Best Buy Black Friday deal. This is for the Oculus Quest 2 virtual reality headset. Beginning on November 21st, you can get an additional $50 gift card when you purchase the Oculus Quest 2. I'll leave the link to this Best Buy page down below for you guys to check it out. This Oculus Quest 2 model comes with the 128 gigabytes. It comes with the headset and 2 touch controllers. Okay, thanks for checking out this deal. Please subscribe for more Black Friday specials. Thanks again and happy shopping.